Hello.
Hey guys, welcome back.
Just came back from fairgrounds.
So for some reason we are making a video about going to a restaurant, supposedly really country, you know.
Breaded steak. Very yummy.
Yeah.
It's called Mama's Grill. Let's go try it out, guys.
Okay.
Right.
Oh, now that we live out in the country, we gotta go to country restaurants and eat country food. Because we're so country. You know, y'all.
Alright, where is this restaurant at?
I think it's the one in front of you.
Really?
Yeah, maybe that one.
Smart mouth. Alright,
Breakfast anytime, so we can have breakfast during dinner.
so Mama's Grill.
Mama. Well, they even have a TV. They do? No, they do? Did they? I thought they did. No, maybe. Oh, they do. They have a tiny one. Maybe. No, that's a Pepsi machine. Oh, they have Pepsi!
Oh my gosh. This is like supposedly country. So we gotta start a bar fight.
Why do you think they have? Why do you think they have Pepsi
No, bar fight.
umbrellas?
We're not even in a bar. You can't start a bar fight when
Yeah.
you're not in a bar.
You need popgun pistols to start a bar fight.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, no, that's not what a bar fight is. Aaron, you need to learn a lot.
Alright.
Like the one in Sonic where they're all wrestling and shoving.
Yes, that is a bar fight. You don't just shoot guns at
In
people.
Sonic, they have a stuffed bear and he shoves it over his head. Ah.
Alright, it says, welcome to Mama's Grill.
Grubhub. Delivered with Grubhub. What's Grubhub?
Alright, let's go.
No, an app online?
I think so.
Hey, look, they have Gatorade too.
Oh,
And you
cool.
can get your money back for playing this game.
I don't think so. Okay. So let's go get served at the table.
So how do you find food in this thing? Wait, first we need to check to see if they have Pepsi. That's most important. Will they feed us?
Pancakes. I don't know. Two pancakes.
Jim and Missy recommended Mama's Grill, so they have a huge menu.
Pepsi! Where's the beverages?
Yes.
Milk, chocolate milk, orange juice, tomato.
Dr. Pepper.
They have tomato juice. They have Pepsi.
Can you?
Pepsi.
Don't break that thing, dude.
Now that I know this, I can continue. Signature grilled chicken Caesar wrap.
Daddy, can I get raspberry tea?
Not a Saturday night. What should we get? What should we get?
Well, we have lots of stuff. First of all, I'm getting a Pepsi.
Okay. Do you have country fried steak?
Nah. I want some pancakes.
Mama's homemade meatloaf.
I don't really like meatloaf.
What's wrong with you guys?
I'm a big fan of
I hate
meatloaf. They have
meatloaf.
salads, Aaron. You can still get
Which movie is that?
The Christmas Story, the little kid, he goes, meatloaf. I hate meatloaf.
and she goes, hey, starving children in China would appreciate that.
Oh, yeah.
And she says,
No, she is China.
which totally doesn't make sense. But
See what the little piggies do.
chicken quesadillas, chili nachos grande.
What would you guys like to drink?
Please may I have a Pepsi?
Pepsi?
And can you put cherry?
Yep.
Can I have a cherry Pepsi, please?
I'm cherry, Dr. Pepper, please.
I'll get water, please, with no ice.
Water, no ice?
Yeah.
Just a water? You come to Mama's Grill and you get a water?
A water. There's coffee.
Not a Saturday night.
Harold.
No, okay, let's see. No,
Are you not vegetarian today?
Look at this! Guys! Steak fajita pasta with linguine.
Linguine.
Like Professor Linguine? Mr. Linguine. You get the flavors and that's how you know it's real Pepsi. You know, there's a lot of fakes out there.
right at the bottom.
Fake Pepsi, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
This is real Pepsi.
I don't taste all the cherry. Where's the cherry? This is red at the bottom.
That's how it's cherry.
Red at the bottom.
You gotta take a nice long sip.
Alright, what are we getting, guys? Come on. That's Mama's Grill. We gotta get some country fried steak.
Nah.
Oh, get some Captain's Catch breaded fish tails.
Nah. I'll go with the steak. I'll go with buttermilk pancakes.
Thank you.
Why? Now you can get wine.
No, thank you.
Country ham. Liver and onions, Daddy.
Where? Where?
In the entrees. Liver and onions. Liver and onions.
That sounds good.
Yeah, I'll take some buttermilk pancakes.
I haven't had liver in like a long time.
Liver. Well, I'll take the 3 pancakes with ham sauce or sausage or bacon.
Okay.
And I'll share with you 1 pancake for each.
Is it the kids stuff or is it
No,
like
it's just famous pancakes. It's only $8.99.
only $8.99?
It comes with ham, sausage, or bacon. Daddy, can I get the chopped steak? Comes with half a pound homemade style patty with topped brown sauteed mushrooms, onions, and brown gravy. Alex, why don't you just get the chili and cheese omelet? It's not breakfast. That's why.
Oh yeah?
And it is only $11.99.
Are you gonna eat all of it?
Killer Cajuns, spicy Cajun chicken breast with mushrooms, onions, cheddar jack cheese, served with salsa. That sounds pretty good.
Maybe we need to get that.
Come on, mine's super cherry.
Super cherry.
It's like normal.
I got a burger.
Big Carlos.
Right here.
Oh, that one looks good.
Right here.
Stop touching my food. Ooh, that looks good. Yeah, I can see why you want a burger.
Ooh, they look so good. Combo platters right
I'm
here.
gonna get the killer cake.
Alex, look, no. 1 half BBQ ribs plus BBQ grilled chicken breast.
Wait, where's the killer Cajun?
Killer Cajun. It's $8.99.
Daddy, should I get the killer Cajun or the steak with sauteed mushrooms and onions and gravy?
Whatever you like to get.
Oh, Alex, that's what mommy called it. Baklava. They serve baklava, that dessert stuff. The spinach donut.
I got you guys some baklava. Les got you guys some baklava.
We thought it was a dog that ate too much spinach and pooped it out.
The spinach donut.
You guys are weird.
There's no cherry in mine. Anyway, I think I'll get the pancakes, yes. Ooh, there's soup of the day. Famous Empress chili. Burrito chili deluxe. Chili cheese fries. Alex, there's chili cheese fries.
Alright, don't announce it to the entire world.
Chili cheese fries.
Getting the Wild Booty Williamsburger.
Okay, wait, Daddy.
And 2 Belgian waffles.
So,
With syrup.
No, yeah, that's too much food.
pick a number.
It's too much food.
Aaron and Daddy, both of you pick a number between 1 and 10.
5.
Aaron? 3. Okay, that was for the Cajun chicken. My answer was 6. Daddy gets 5, so the Cajun chicken staying. Now for the steak, guess a number between 1 and 10.
7.
3.
It was 8. Yeah, this is too hard. Guess a number between 1 and 10 for the fries.
6.
3. We can put this on our chili.
Alex, what'd you get?
What?
What'd you get?
I got the Killer Cajun chicken. I got 2 waffles with sausages and syrup and butter.
Gross.
And I got the Wild Booty Williamsburger.
The booty burger, although no.
Hey, look,
Sorry,
it's
Jim,
jam.
we didn't get
Which jam? Strawberry or
we did
blueberry?
not get country fried steak. Oh man,
Which jam?
this place is like super country. A lot of country folk around here.
Alex, they have to sell Pepsi, the advertising right there.
Super country. Later, and what did you get? What'd you get?
I have
Thank you.
Thank you.
Killer Cajun chicken with
An egg?
No, cheese and hash browns.
What'd you get, Aaron?
I got Belgian waffles.
Those look huge. And I got a nice burger.
Oh, and I got patties to share.
Oh, those are good.
Alright, we're gonna say grace and we're gonna eat. Alright? Looks yummy. Mama's Grill still 40 minutes late, but we're still hungry. Yeah, Grace, first. Woo. What do you think, guys?
Not as spicy as I hoped it to be. But
This is Mama Grill in the country, man. Cajun is like dumbed down spicy, silly. Your Ann, how's your?
hot. Really hot.
Yeah. All right, my burger is yummy. It's not bad.
Yeah. Well, I don't really think you can go wrong with waffles because it's literally just waffles.
This is true. This is true.
All you have to do is just put a little syrup on there. That's fine. Just dump the whole thing of butter on there. Oh no, we're back with the fake recipe.
Oh no. It was warm.
We should have eaten. We should have eaten outside.
I don't think they have it outside.
Yeah, they do. There were people eating out there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, they had little picnic tables and they have Pepsi umbrellas.
Oh. Oh yeah.
Oh, look at that Mustang, the white one. Oh, nice.
All right, what do you think about Mama's
What
Grill?
do you think? That looks exactly like a Mustang. That is a Mustang.
That is a Mustang. Okay, what do you think about Mama's Grill?
That's okay. It's pretty good. I like the booty burger thing. That one was pretty good.
Oh yeah? Yeah.
It was pretty good. I only tried one thing. I need to try more things to actually rate it. Yeah, there was a BBQ ribs with honey barbecue chicken breast. I have to try that too.
Oh yeah?
I love ribs, and I need to try the steak. So
Breaded
steak. It's breaded.
My burger was okay. It's not too bad.
Yeah, your burger was pretty good.
Pretty good is like not so good.
Okay, your burger was good.
Okay.
It
Because
had
Mom will say
everything in it. Yeah.
pretty good is not good.
Yeah, I think your burger was good.
All right.
Yeah, pretty good is not good.
All right, get inside, guys. All right, there's our trip to Mama's Grill.